Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a default card in Apple Pay on iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. If you'd like to set a default card, you will need to simply go to the wallet. Now, you'll see all your cards here. And now, if you'd like to set the default card, just press and hold on it and slide it to the front. I unfortunately cannot set Apple Cash as my default card because it's not available in my region, but it shows up because I had the United States set previously as my region, so it's still there on the list. But yeah, basically sliding the cards like that. The one that's on the front is the default one, but you can still pay with the different card even though it's not your default. When you double click on the side button, it opens your card, the default one. But if you'd like to switch to a different one, click on the stack at the bottom and select the card that you'd like to pay with. This is actually a loyalty card, so it doesn't really matter, but yeah, you can just select from here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.